Okay, in our DIY marketing segment, we're going to quickly go over some traditional tactics that you can do right now if you're laid off, and some not so traditional ways to start generating income. Okay, are you ready? Number one is the unemployment benefits. You could go online, find your local unemployment center, and start filling out those applications. Number two, you can go to career centers in your city or your hometown. In fact, when I moved down here at the beach, I went to a career center to find my first corporate job, and let me tell you, it was a miracle. But I'll tell you that story later. Number three is contact job placement services, recruiters, and watch some videos from recruiters to show you how to set up your resume today versus 10 years ago. All right, that's going to be real helpful for you. Number four is going to LinkedIn to start networking, asking people if they need any help with projects that you may be able to help them with, okay? Because that could go a long way. Number five, go to job sites, fill out applications, and be specific about how you can help that company instead of just giving them a general answer on what you can do, okay? So that's for the traditional tactics. Now for the non-traditional tactics. Number one, you may need to find a different field to learn new skills and start a different career. Okay. Number two, you can start selling things around your house that you don't really need. You could go on Facebook Marketplace or eBay, sell, your used items. We used to sell maternity clothes and baby items on eBay as a form of income. And you can also sell on Amazon as well. So take a look at those places: Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Amazon. Number three is turning your passion into profits. Take your hobby, whether it's sewing, woodworking, or art, and start selling that online. And at the end of the video, I'm going to show you where to go. Number four is becoming an affiliate marketer, which means you can sell other people's products and get a commission for it, okay? Now, the simplest way to become an affiliate is to join the Amazon affiliate program so that you can start selling Amazon products. There's nothing easier than buying a product from Amazon and telling people about it, okay? Now, the commissions aren't that great, but it's a good step forward into introducing yourself to affiliate marketing. Number five, you can create a course with skills that you acquired over the years and teach people how to do that. You can sell your course on Teachable, Skillshare, Coursera, and others. Number six, you can be a social media manager for small companies that don't have time to create and post content for their business. All right, some of the top social media managers are making over $1 million a year, charging their clients $110,000 a year. I mean, it's incredible, but that's something to think about as well. And number seven, you can check out my Get a Clue Classroom, which is a learning center for digital marketing. I created it for people that need help and that are starting over. Whether you're laid off or you're on furlough or you're just tired of the 9 to 5 and you want to become a freelancer and a contractor and make your own hours doing digital marketing. I have a course called Passion to Profits to turn your hobby into a full-time income, plus a course on step-by-step digital marketing tactics, plus a video creator course for beginners so that you can start creating videos for yourself, become an influencer, or if you don't want to do that, you can create videos for other businesses as well. There are entire marketing agencies out there for the same tactics that I teach in the Get a Clue Classroom. So you definitely want to check it out. It's the getaclueclassroom.com. You can register for free, and when you do, you get access as a valued member to my Passion to Profits course. So that wraps up this episode of the DIY marketing segment.